welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to do my everyday makeup look. Starting off, I put on oil on my face so my makeup can apply very smoothly and evenly. This one is by Clinicals. In case y'all wondering why my eyebrows are shaped like this, it's because I like to change the ends and play with them to see what looks best on me. And now I am applying my foundation. There is no specific way as to how I apply my foundation, but I do go in with a brush. I like to use this type of brush on my forehead so I can really blend in the foundation and get the foundation as close as possible as I can to my edges without actually getting foundation on my edges. Right here is all a matter of blending. I also like putting foundation in the front of my eyebrows so when I put on my eyeliner it can go on smoothly. Right here I'm putting glitter spray. And then I start off with my concealer underneath my eyes so I can awaken these dark circles that I have going on right here. And once again, I'm blending and I'm using the same brush. Then I go in with my Airspun powder. And I use cotton pads because I feel it's more hygienic. Then I start applying powder all over my face, everywhere. So I can then go in with my bronzer on my cheeks. All these products are going to be listed below. Then I just go in with a second bronzer so it can look a little bit darker, and then I clean out the bottoms of my cheeks so it can look more sharp on my cheeks. And then I apply some blush, and then I start doing my eyebrows, practically drawing my eyebrows. I like squaring them out at the front, and then I go and I clean the ends of them. And like I mentioned, I'd be experimenting with the ends of them. And then I go in with my lip liner. And then I go in with my lip stain and my lip gloss. Do the brown little thing with the lips. I forgot to mention that the only thing that's not part of my everyday makeup look is the white eyeliner, as I'm applying right here, and the eyelashes. But apart from that, this is my everyday makeup look. To make the eyelashes pop out a little bit more, I'm going to be adding nail rhinestones on them. I really love how this looks. And what I do is I use my duo glue and I apply on the back part of the rhinestone, and with my tweezers I just apply it on the eyelash and it really stays. It doesn't fall off at all. You can add as many rhinestones as you like, but I like to put only 2 on each of my eyelashes because I feel that is what suits me the best. I feel by putting a dot of glue on your eyelash, letting it dry a little bit, and then putting the rhinestone helps a lot more on applying the rhinestone on the eyelash. Now I'm taking off all the excess powder, everything that is making me look like a ghost right now, and making sure to blend the most as I can. This is the up close with the rhinestones on, and this is the final look. This is my everyday makeup look. When I want more of a glamorous look, I add the lashes like I did here, and as well put white eyeliner in my waterline. The only thing different I did was this time I made my eyebrows thicker. I like experimenting with them. That's why I cut basically half of them off, because I always do something different with them. Either arch them more up or more down. Just do on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense, so think we need to have a But thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to turn on your post notifications to be informed of when I post. And bye.